You think the Earth is forever? Wrong. We only have 90 seconds to live. And it's not an introduction to a SF movie. It's called the Doomsday Clock, and it has been published annually since 1947, quite a long time ago, in the American Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist. It tells us how much time we have left, assuming the end of the world is 24 hours away. The year 2024 is set for 23 hours, 58 minutes, and 30 seconds. Just 90 seconds away. The rationale for setting this year's clock included nuclear threats, climate change, and disruptive technologies including artificial intelligence and new biotechnologies. The who, why, and how of the Doomsday Clock. August 6, 1945, 2 atomic bombs are dropped on Japan, one on Hiroshima, the other on Nagasaki. 150,000 to 300,000 people were killed or maimed instantly. Japan, the country that started World War II, immediately surrendered. Scientists came to regret that the atomic bomb they had developed had caused so much suffering to so many people. About 2 years later, in June 1947, the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist was founded in the United States, and the Doomsday Clock was first announced. At that time, one of the scientists who created the Doomsday Clock said, "I don't know with what weapons the Third World War will be fought, but the Fourth World War will be fought with sticks and stones." His name is Albert Einstein. The Doomsday Clock first started at 7 minutes. At the time, nuclear war was feared to be the doom of mankind. In 1953, it was advanced by 2 minutes as the United States and the Soviet Union competed to develop a hydrogen bombs. In 1991, when the clock was slowed down the most, the minute hand was 17 minutes ahead because the United States and the Soviet Union agreed to nuclear reductions. In addition, data on the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the acidity of the oceans, and sea level rise are also reviewed. And since 2007, a new risk factor has emerged: global warming. In particular, in 2015, the BAS ranked climate change as the #1 threat to the world, with 3 minutes to spare. This issue is still valid today. Do you remember what happened 4 years ago? That's right, in 2020, when the pandemic forced the world to wear masks, we moved to 100 seconds. The most recent time change was in 2023. Due to the war between Russia and Ukraine, it was set to 90 seconds earlier, the time closest to the end of the world. Of course, the clock doesn't actually move, and some critics say it's just a show with no objective metrics. But it's worth noting the symbolism in the Doomsday Clock's minute hand. We now have 90 seconds. What can we do to slow down the end times? Leave your thoughts in the comments.